Every single month, you're running your dishwasher and watching those white, chalky stains build up worse and worse. You scrub, you buy expensive tablets, you call a technician, and nothing works permanently. But here is what nobody is telling you. Whirlpool, Bosch, Samsung, these billion-dollar appliance giants know exactly how to fix this problem forever. They have known since the 1960s. And they deliberately remove the solution from every manual they print. Why? Because the moment you learn what I am about to show you today, you will never spend another dollar on descaling products, dishwasher repair calls, or replacement machines ever again. I'm talking about a $5 powder sitting on grocery store shelves right now. A powder so powerful that professional appliance technicians use it backstage, but charge you $200 to pretend they are doing something complicated. Stay until the end, because the last tip will shock you in a way you're not expecting. Think about the last time your dishes came out of the dishwasher looking worse than when they went in. That foggy white film on your glasses. That gritty chalky crust around your spray arms. That horrible smell coming from inside the machine even after a full cycle. You are not imagining it. Limescale, also called calcium carbonate buildup, is silently destroying your dishwasher from the inside. It coats the heating element so your water never gets hot enough. It blocks the spray armholes so water pressure drops by up to 60%. It suffocates the pump until the motor burns out entirely. And when the motor burns out, you are looking at a $400 repair bill minimum. Most people just buy a new machine. The average dishwasher replacement in the United States costs between $600 and $1,200 installed. Multiply that by the fact that Limescale reduces a dishwasher's lifespan from 12 years down to 5 or 6 years, and you're throwing away $1,200 every few years because of a mineral deposit problem that costs less than $5 to solve permanently. The commercial descaling products are no better. Those little blue tablets, $18 for a pack of 6. The professional liquid descalators, $35 a bottle. And appliance technicians who come to your home and run a deep clean cycle with their special solution, they charge between $150 and $250 for a 1-hour visit. You know what they use? The exact same thing I'm going to show you today, bought in bulk for pennies. Marked up by 4,000%. Sold back to you as professional expertise. You have been paying for a performance, not a solution. And the worst part? These products only treat the surface. The Limescale comes back within 4 to 6 weeks because the root chemistry of the problem was never properly addressed. Meanwhile, your machine keeps degrading, your dishes keep coming out cloudy, and the industry keeps collecting your money. Here's the part they really do not want you to know. In the late 1950s and through the 1960s, home appliance companies were in a fierce war to dominate the post-war American household. Whirlpool, General Electric, Hotpoint, they were all racing to sell dishwashers to a brand new market of suburban families. And in that era, their own internal engineers documented exactly how citric acid, a simple naturally occurring compound found in lemons, could eliminate calcium and magnesium mineral deposits from internal appliance components completely and safely. Engineering manuals from that period referenced citric acid cleaning protocols for heating elements and pump housings. The chemistry was understood. The solution was cheap. And for a brief window, some of these companies actually included descaling guidance in their product literature. Then something changed. By the late 1970s, a parallel industry had quietly grown up around appliance maintenance products, descaling tablets, proprietary cleaning solutions, service contracts, extended warranties. The appliance companies looked at this and made a calculation. Why tell customers how to maintain a machine for free when you could sell them a $200 annual service plan? Why include a cheap fix in the manual when retail partners were paying for shelf placement of $30 descaling bottles? The citric acid references disappeared from manuals. The service industry ballooned. They spent enormous resources making sure the professional solution always looked more legitimate than the home remedy, even when the home remedy was more effective. What I am about to show you is what those original engineers knew. It never stopped being true. The chemistry never changed. Only the business model did. You are part of the 1% of dishwasher owners who will actually learn this today. And once you know it, you cannot unknow it. The product is food-grade citric acid powder. You can buy a 1-pound bag for between $4 and $6 at almost any grocery store, health food shop, or online. 1 pound will last you an entire year of monthly treatments. Break that down and you're paying less than 50 cents per cleaning session. Now here is why it works and why it works better than anything else on the market. Limescale is calcium carbonate. It is an alkaline mineral deposit, meaning its chemical nature is basic on the pH scale. Citric acid is, as the name tells you, an acid. When an acid meets an alkaline mineral deposit, a neutralization reaction occurs. The calcium carbonate dissolves, not scrubbed off, not temporarily softened, chemically dissolved into water-soluble calcium citrate and carbon dioxide gas, both of which rinse away completely with water. The professional descaling products that technicians sell for $35 a bottle, Most of them are either diluted citric acid, diluted phosphoric acid, or diluted acetic acid. The same chemistry, just massively diluted and rebottled with a professional-looking label. One professional service call, where a technician runs a descaling solution through your machine, costs between $150 and $250. The citric acid powder they use wholesale costs them roughly $0.80. You are paying $249, $20 for the drive to your house and the confidence of a branded uniform. The heating element in your dishwasher, once coated in even 1 meter of limescale, loses up to 40% of its heating efficiency, according to appliance engineering data. Your machine runs longer, uses more electricity, and still produces worse results. Strip that limescale with citric acid and your heating element works at full capacity again. Your water reaches proper sanitizing temperature. Your detergent activates correctly because it was designed to work in clean, hot water, not lukewarm, mineral-coated water. Everything in the machine performs better, and it costs less than a cup of coffee. Remove everything from your dishwasher completely. Every dish, every rack insert, every utensil basket. You want the machine empty because this treatment is for the machine itself, not a regular wash cycle. Check your drain filter at the bottom of the dishwasher interior. It is usually a cylindrical piece that twists out counterclockwise. Remove it and rinse it under warm tap water to clear any food debris. This matters because a blocked filter will prevent the cleaning solution from circulating properly. Place the filter back in securely. Now take 2 to 3 tablespoons of food-grade citric acid powder. Do not use more than 3 tablespoons on the first treatment because heavy buildup dissolving too fast can temporarily cloud your drain water and overwhelm older pump seals. Pour the powder directly into the bottom of the dishwasher tub, not into the detergent dispenser. The dispenser releases product mid-cycle. You want the citric acid in contact with standing water from the very beginning of the fill stage. Do not add any detergent. Do not add any rinse aid. No other product of any kind. Run your dishwasher on the hottest cycle available to you. On most machines, this is labeled sanitize, heavy, or pots and pans. The higher water temperature, ideally above 140 degrees Fahrenheit, accelerates the citric acid reaction and ensures it reaches mineral deposits in the heating element housing, not just the tub walls. Do not interrupt the cycle. Do not open the door mid-run. Let it complete fully, including the drying phase. When the cycle finishes, open the door and look inside. You will likely see white residue or a faint film on the tub walls. This is dissolved mineral deposit that did not fully rinse away. Take a clean, damp cloth and wipe the interior walls, door gasket, and around the spray arm bases. Pay particular attention to the rubber door gasket because limescale and mold accumulate there, and a single wipe after a citric acid cycle removes months of buildup instantly. Run a second short rinse only cycle with no products added to flush the dissolved minerals completely out through the drain. That second rinse is important. Do not skip it. It prevents any dissolved calcium citrate from redepositing on surfaces as the water evaporates during drying. Once a month is the correct maintenance frequency if you live in a hard water area. Once every 6 weeks if your water is moderately hard. You will know your water is hard if you see white spots on tap fixtures, on shower glass, or on any surface that water touches and then evaporates from. Thousands of people who have discovered this method report results that genuinely surprise them. Glasses that have been cloudy for years come out of the first treatment clear. Not just cleaner, optically clear, the way they looked when they were new. The spray arms, once the limescale blocking the holes dissolves away, produce visibly stronger and more even water jets. You can actually hear the difference. The wash sound changes because water pressure is restored. One viewer who reached out after trying this method had been quoted $380 by a local appliance technician for a full internal descale and pump inspection. She used 2 tablespoons of citric acid powder in a single hot cycle. Total cost, less than $1. The technician's quote covered the same result. Results from a proper citric acid treatment last between 2 and 3 months in hard water areas before mineral deposits begin accumulating again to a level that affects performance, which is why monthly maintenance prevents you from ever reaching that degradation point again. Your machine runs permanently cleaner. Your dishes come out permanently clearer. Your heating element operates at full efficiency permanently. The word permanently here means something real. As long as you maintain the monthly habit, limescale never gets a foothold again. There is no diminishing return. The chemistry works identically every single time. And understand this? The appliance industry is aware that more people are learning this method. There have already been quiet changes in how some descaling products are marketed, shifting away from citric acid formulations toward proprietary blends, specifically so that the ingredient cannot be identified and replicated cheaply. The window to do this your way, on your terms, is not closing, but the pressure to keep you dependent on their products is only increasing. If this information genuinely surprised you, hit the like button right now because that one action helps. This reached someone else who is about to spend $200 they do not need to spend. Subscribe if you want to keep receiving the kind of knowledge that the industry spends money making sure you never find. The next video is going to expose something even more deeply buried. A $3 product that appliance manufacturers specifically engineer their machines to be incompatible with on paper, even though it outperforms every branded solution they sell. You will not want to miss that one, and here is your final tip, the one I promised at the beginning. If your dishwasher has a stainless steel interior, add a single tablespoon of citric acid to a full cup of warm water, dip a soft cloth into it, and wipe the door interior before your monthly treatment cycle. Stainless steel accumulates a protein and mineral film that the cycle alone does not fully address. That 30-second wipe removes it completely. Your dishwasher is not worn out. It is not broken. It has just never been properly maintained with the right chemistry. Now you know what that chemistry is. Use it.